Yeah, very good morning to all. I'm Nirmal PG, Principal General Manager at Telecom from BSNL Kerala, and I'm looking after the enterprise business. Today, I'm honored to be here and present on the topic connectivity in the era of AI and next-gen governance. It's a very vital topic in aligning with the theme of the day, that is reimagining governance in the age of AI. Also, I will be highlighting the role of BSNL in this. Next one. Yeah, okay. Coming to BSNL, as you all know, it's a government company which is owned by central government, and its authorized capital share is 2.1 lakh crores. And to the even remotest areas and even challenging areas, also in the difficult situations, we are proud to say that we will be providing services. And also, affordable connectivity is another important thing. And say governance in India. So we know it is mostly connected with the digital literacy, and connectivity is another important point in changing the governance landscape. That's very, very important. And coupled with the security, data security and private security as well. So this is we can say there should be affordable internet connectivity should be there, and it should reach even to the remotest part of our country. And we know there are more than 6.6 lakhs villages in rural areas in our country. It's very challenging area to reach all these places. We should have a strong optical fiber backbone and user-friendly and powerful apps. Apps is very, very important so that we can reach out to the citizens hassle-free. And whenever we are looking forward governance, it should be citizen-centric, and we should enable ourselves to help the citizens to reach the schemes and services of the government. And these are the next-gen governance. That means artificial intelligence and machine language coupled with telecom infrastructure. So right now we are facing a lot of challenges is the data silos. That is, data is being stored in different islands, different departments in different, state governments or even central government. If you are having a different data of different departments, it will be in an isolated area, and you cannot give a total customer or citizen satisfaction to enable him to access to all the services what government is intending to do. So this is one of the challenges we need to address, and also service delivery gaps. These gaps has to be reduced. In the AI model, we have to reduce this gap so that this hassle-free access can be made to all the citizens. When during the COVID time, this apps and all, people have mostly they tried to access the government services through apps, and we know that has been very efficient in managing even the vaccination of the citizens. And also we need to reach out the rural, and that too in the real time we need to access. That is one of the important point. And for that, actually, we have to have a cloud native high-end computation. That's very important. Cloud-based data storage should be there. And also we need to give edge computation. That's to have a delivery, faster, quicker delivery, giving by providing computation in the edge, so that it will compute in real time. Also it will be very fast, and the service delivery will be very high, so that we can bridge the delivery gap. And also there should be reliable, high bandwidth connectivity should be there. Right now we are also having I will touch upon that. What are the services, what we are going to do, what we are giving to citizens, and what are the services which is available with BSNL. And some use cases in governance, we all know, we have been hearing to the presentations. So these are the A few use cases in smart governance. AI and ML is very, very important, and it can be used effectively. And also building smart cities. And these are the terminologies now I think we are all well aware. And intelligent villages, actually intelligent villages means it can go beyond mere surveillance or security aspect. It can go up to any level, and using the IoT devices and computation, we can build intelligent villages which can facilitate the say citizens. And also in the education sector, it's very important. And smart traffic management, you can effectively manage the traffic to avoid congestion even in the peak hours. And also smart policing, that's another important area where we need to look into. And smart agriculture, and we have already heard one presentation from Additional Chief Secretary Gujarat earlier regarding the smart agriculture and also telemedicine. And there are a lot of opportunities in every walks of our life. We can make it smart using this AI and ML. And here the role of telecom and role of BSNL is very, very important in developing a lot of use cases and providing, say, not only connectivity, but delivering the service without much hassle, and it should be on real-time as well. So, key enabler, we can put in the 4 buckets. One is fiber transport network. It should be very robust, should be very consistent, reliable. Fiber transport network should be there, and also 4G, 5G mobile network. It's again an important area where the latency and other things will be minimal. And software-defined networks also available right now, and private networks which will give you a lot of security. So BSNL, actually this is a trusted partner to government agencies. We have unmatched national level optical fiber connectivity. You'll be surprised to know that even the root kilometer of optical fiber we have is more than 8 lakhs kilometers. And also we have pan-India mobile presence is there, and we recently, thanks to Government of India, we could install and implement 4G network across India with more than 1 lakh BTSs. And also we are planning to have, we are expanding that process also in the pipeline. That's in the planning stage. And mobile network coverage, anyway, that is 4G we have adopted, and it will be upgradable to 5G as well. And highly secured network, we are providing highly secured network which will give you, say, your data security and other security. And strategic, we are the strategic partner to Government of India. And we have different solutions also with cutting edge optical layer 2 and layer 3 MPLS, which is very secure, say, network multi-protocol layer switching technology to connect to the cloud, and also 5G, 4G mobility network. That is, we have CNPN captive non-public network. Actually, recently we have, we are implementing in the mine areas to give security and other surveillance, not only surveillance, and for other use cases, applications we are in the process of implementing in mine area, mine sector. And the 5G private networks, that will give you low latency, which will enable automation of your systems. And say software-defined network for managed connectivity, and software as an application, software as a service based communication solutions also. That too with the zero capex model. That means those who are availing the service, that for them it will be very cheaper, and it can be used. And we have solution to mining industry, as I said earlier. These are the some of the use cases we have already implemented, on the stage of implementing. And worker security is very, very important in the mining, especially in the mining area. Real-time camera and feed processing with AI and ML applications have been, use cases have been there. And dumber collusion avoidance. Actually, most of the cases, collusion, collusions are happening there in the very adverse situation in the mining area. the numbers are getting collided with the normal transport system there. So that one of the use cases that we are going to avoid, say, number collision. Then automated shovel operations also can be automated using this CNPN 5G private network, which is getting implemented there. And also digital twin, all the processes and everything has been through IoT devices being captured to one central control room, and it is getting, all the operations are getting twinned. That is digital twin is also one of the applications. And also another application, drone inspection of all the areas for monitoring and also giving security to the persons working there. And we are the collaborators with CDAC and Coal India Limited. So these are very important aspect where at present there is no telecom coverage in those remote areas, and we are providing service 5G service to mine areas. And say apart from, when you think of BSNL, you will say that it's a landline service provider. But see, we have a lot of, we are giving services, more services to our enterprise customers like MPLS, virtual private network, ILL, point-to-point services, and also software-defined wide area network, and 5G CNPN. And that also we are in discussion with most of the, many industrial units where they need security and less latency to manage their systems. And Wi-Fi services and communication platform as a service, that's also one of the services what we are giving. And SIP, session initiated protocol telephony. Right now, this is one of the area many industrial clients are approaching us to provide SIP applications. Then cloud PBX is another important one. Then global satellite phone service also we are providing in very sensitive areas and remote areas, and also for our government departments, and to manage whenever some natural calamity is there. If the area is inaccessible, this is a very important service. It can be available, bulk push SMS and 5G fixed line access. And right now we are also in coming to provide skill development programs to the industries or educational sector. Those who are willing, they can align or they can license with us, and we can provide. We have infrastructure, we have training centers, so we'll be giving skill enhancement services as well. So this is my last slide. One letter has been issued from Secretary DOT to the state government chief secretaries to use BSNL service for all telecom services in view of security. So that much confidence we are giving to our clients, and I'm happy to say that we have a very highly talented and trained technical support is also there, and we'll be providing service 24 hours by 7, and we'll be very happy to serve you all, and particularly in the era of AI, and when we are moving towards e-governance to give better service to our customers and to reach to the rural areas, we are playing a pivotal role, and Government of India has entrusted us. And one more thing I would like to proudly say that Government of India is envisaging a project that BharatNet Udhyami to give 1.5 crores connections, FTTH connections in the rural areas. And the job has been entrusted to BSNL, and we are working on it. And I'm so happy to say that we are providing that services also to the rural India. Thank you very much, and thanks to the organizers of this summit. Thank you very much.